Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. Welcome to our English session. Today we are going to start from English Treasure textbook, chapter number 4, The Dolphin and the Shark. Okay, student, do you heard the two names dolphin and shark? They live in ocean, okay? They are water animals. So students, what is this? First is dolphin and below it is shark. Okay. So what is dolphin? Dolphin is a mammal and shark is a fish. Okay. What is mammal? Mammal, an animal of a type that gives birth to live babies, not eggs, and feeds its own on milk from its own body. Okay. Not so mammal means dolphin is a mammal. Okay, she or they give birth to young ones and they do not have lay eggs. Okay, और वो क्या करते हैं? We are mammal, human are mammal which give birth and feed their young ones. Okay, so and shark is a fish. So in this chapter, the story is about shark and a dolphin, okay, and about the magic experience that they have one day. One day they experience a magical day, okay. Was it real? It is real. We will read and find out it is real or it's just an imagination, okay. This is a story about, as I said, dolphin named Dudley and shark named Simon. Okay, both of them live in the ocean. Okay, while Dudley is happy and played with his two sisters all the time. So in this chapter, we will know further. By starting this chapter, let us know what is in it. Once upon a time, there lived a shark named Simon and dolphin named Dudley. They lived in an ocean not too far from the beautiful sandy beach. A tall lighthouse and a dark, murky swamp were there on the beach. So once upon a time, एक बार, where there shark named था Simon and dolphin name was Dudley. Okay, they live in the ocean. What is ocean? One of the fifth main areas into where the water is divided. Okay, the big area where the water is divided means the ocean is the fifth main water bodies. Okay, so they live in ocean. Okay, and not too far from the beautiful sandy beach. कहाँ था? Sandy beach के पास. Okay, the tall lighthouse, you can see there lighthouse. Lighthouse means a tower with a flashing light at the top of the guard ships. To guard ship, the tower gives the focus the light to make the way for them. Okay, and a dark murky swamp were there on the beach. Murky means dark and dirty. Swamp means soft and wet land. It's dark and very dirty but very soft land. Okay. Then now Simon and Dudley knew each other but they were not the best friend. Dudley had two sisters and they played together and took care of each other. They were very happy in the cold blue water. So here you can see Simon and Dudley they know each other. वो दोनों एक दूसरे को जानते थे, but they were not best friend. They are not best friend. They only know each other. Okay. कभी कभी हम सारे क्लास में जाते पर हमारा फ्रेंड एक ही होता है और दो होता है पर हम सबको जैसे जानते हैं. Okay. Then Dudley, what he do? The dolphin, it has two sisters. Okay, दो बहन थी और they played together and took care of each other. वो दोनों खेलते थे, वो खेलते थे, मज़े लेते थे. ओके. They were very happy in the cool and blue water. They are very happy in among them. Okay. But Simon swam alone. He had no brother and sister and no one to play with. This made him grumpy, and so he would spend his days swimming lazily, feeling sorry for him and just being mean. But Simon जो था वो ऑलवेज अकेले अकेले स्विम करता था. उसके कोई भाई बहन नहीं थे, कोई किसी के साथ खेलना नहीं था. ओके. एंड अनहैप्पी रहता था. ओके. अकेले अकेले लेजी स्विमिंग करता था और बहुत बुरा फील करता था उस खुद के लिए. ओके. Simon's favorite hobby was to attack Dudley and his sister. He would dive deep in the water, lurking near the bottom, and then when he saw the dolphin playing near the surface, he would swim as hard as he could towards them and try to bite their tail. But the dolphin always saw him coming, and they would come up out of the water, stand on their tail, and whistle and giggle. They always managed to keep just out of reach of Simon's big, sharp teeth. Simon's that sharp, okay, उसकी हॉबी क्या थी कि वो डडली और उसके सिस्टर को अटैक करना, खेलना. ओके. देन वो क्या करता है, वो एकदम हाइड हो जाता अंदर वाटर पे और वेट करता है उनका. ओके. एंड देन व्हेन ही सॉ डॉल्फिन कम नियर, वो जब लगता है कि वो पास आ रहा है, तो वो ही वुड स्विम एज हार्ड एज ही कुड टूवर्ड देम. जल्दी 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 स्विम करता है उनके टेल बाइट करने के लिए. ओके. बट द डॉल्फिन ऑलवेज सॉ हिम कमिंग. ओके. डडली एंड हिज सिस्टर ऑलवेज सॉ दैट ही इज कमिंग एंड दे कुड कम अप आउट ऑफ द वाटर. और वो क्या करते हैं, ऊपर आ जाते हैं पानी में और अपने टेल पे स्टैंड करते हैं. यू सॉ डॉल्फिन स्टैंडिंग ऑन देयर टेल. ओके. और हंसते हैं और खुसफुस कैसे बातें करते हैं. ओके. दे ऑलवेज मैनेज टू कीप जस्ट आउट ऑफ द रीच ऑफ सिमन्स बिग शार्प. वो हमेशा डरते हैं, हमेशा दूर रहते हैं सिमन के शार्प टीथ से. ओके. I don't think Simmons really want to catch them, do you? Because if he caught them and ate them, he could not have any fun anymore. But you never know about shark. So Dudley and his sister were always on the lookout for Simmons the crumb. So we think that shark is dangerous. Okay. Do you think that Simon वो चाहता था, अगर वो रियली वो उनको पकड़ना चाहता था, अगर वो उनको पकड़ता और वो खा लेता उनको, तो वो कैसे खेल पाता? उसके पास तो कोई ब्रदर सिस्टर थे नहीं, इनके साथ ही वो खेलता था. ओके. बट आप कभी नहीं जानते, शार्क इतने डेंजरस होते हैं दैट देयर टीथ आर वेरी डेंजरस. अगर एक बार वो खाए तो हमारे पूरे शरीर को फाड़ सकते हैं. ओके. पूरे शरीर को दे यूज टू डैमेज इट. ओके. इसीलिए Dudley and his sister were always on the lookout for Simon the Grimp. Means someone who complains a lot. Okay. One day, while Dudley was swimming by himself and Simon was chasing him, they got very close to the shore. Okay. Dudley leaped out of the water with Simmons right behind him, and they both saw something very strange on the beach. There, leading out of the swamp, were strange tracks in the sand. Dudley stopped swimming and Simmons stopped chasing. One day what happened, Dudley was swimming and Simmons वैसे as normally वो उसे पकड़ रहा था. Okay. They got very close to the shore. Shore means where sea and sand meets. Okay. And Dudley क्या देखती है that लेफ्ट आउट ऑफ द वाटर एंड सिमन राइट बिहाइंड हिम, वो उसके पीछे ही रहता है, ओके, पकड़ता है उसको। एंड दे बोथ सॉ सम स्ट्रेंज, वेरी स्ट्रेंज ऑन द, कुछ अलग वो बीच के पास देखते हैं। क्या देखते हैं? दे आर लीडिंग आउट द स्वैम्प, ओके। सो व्हाट आई से, स्वैम्प इज सॉफ्ट एंड वेट लैंड, ओके। तो वो क्या देखते हैं कि डडली स्टॉप स्विमिंग एंड सिमन स्टॉप चेजिंग, वो कुछ देखते हैं तो वो रुक जाते हैं वहाँ पे, ओके। दे हैड नेवर सीन मार्क्स लाइक दैट बिफोर, आई वंडर इफ इट वॉज अ डक बिल्ड platypus, said Dudley. I don't think so, replied Simon. I will bet it was a red-breasted, hairy-headed knee walker. Okay. So they stopped and वो क्या सोचते हैं कि ऐसा मार्क्स तो हमने कहीं नहीं, और डक बिट प्लेटिपस का हो सकता है, डक बिट प्लेटिपस सी क्रिएचर, ओके। सो वो क्या सोचते हैं कि डक बिल प्लेटिपस का हो सकता है, और तो सिमन बोलता है मुझे नहीं लगता, बट ऐसा लगता है कोई रेड ब्रेस्ट हेयर जैसा कोई कुछ अलग क्रिएचर वॉक करता है, ठीक है। बट सिंस नीदर ऑफ द क्रिएचर वेर सीन इन दोज पार्ट्स very often, they knew on wondering, they thought maybe it had been a big gobbler, or perhaps a hooty snooty crawlers, but they just were not sure what had made those funny large footprints. They saw a footprints, और वो सोचते हैं ऐसा ये क्रिएचर कभी देखने नहीं मिला, तो क्या हो सकता है ये, तो वो दोनों सोचते हैं, ओके। Now students, we will continue this chapter in our next session. Till that, watch this video carefully and try to read the chapter once, okay? Thank you everyone.